people expect me to waste my time and energy writing the name of a person who has successfully changed his name from Chumokoya to things I had. Huh? Let us first write the names of those who have found favor in the sight of God.
I always know that there's a way poverty is to make someone prisoner of foul speech. But were you the one who changed his name to things time and hand? Were you the one who changed the name?
But is it not obvious that he says nothing else apart from things I had? Eh? Well, we will still go to his house in Lagos. But I swear, with all that we have in secret, he will not offer anything.
No, we are not actually going to Lagos for him. By the time we must have seen David Mwilo and his business partner, Alexandra Fodele, then we'll gather the much our other sons and daughters would offer. We'll go to...
Really, I do not know these boys you just called, but their philanthropic deed speaks volume for them.
See, how will you know them? When you were still in Panya, enjoying the sinner in you.
Abroad.
They were busy training and financially empowering our young boys to start different businesses. They also pay the school fees of some of our children. And so many other things they have done in Ojenta. See?
You see, these are the things we are talking about. How much you put?
Whenever you start seeing things like this, it means very good news.
Anyway, let's concentrate on the job ahead. You and Elendo distribute some. And make sure you go to Mwakegino Moya's house and deliver the hits later. Myself, I will distribute the rest.
What else do you expect from me, my son? It is the wish of every mother to have grandchildren, and I am not an exception.
Mama, don't worry too much. That's why I came home. I found a wife.
Eh?
Found the girl I want to marry.
David Ingwam, what did you just say?
I found...
So, finally my son is getting married. Who is she?
Juliet Onwekwe.
Juliet Onwekwe. Is she the daughter of late Maziko Obi Onwekwe?
No, not that one. This one is... The dad is from Umueze.
Umueze?
Isaiah Onwekwe.
Isaiah Onwekwe was your father's friend. Yeah. And a very good man. Yeah. My son, you went to the right place.
Wow.
If you
go.
To the mother.
Hey, madam, please, this is your son.
No, he just left. It's not been long he left the house. Didn't you see any big black jeep along the road as we were coming?
I know it. Who else other than David Mwilomaya could have brought this big car into the village at this time of the year when there is no festival and to show off?
Even he blew his horn at us. But we didn't know it was him.
It's him. It's my son.
No problem. Okay. Just make sure that this letter gets to us.
It's all right. I will give it to him.
We shall be on our way now.
Okay, let's be on our way.
So soon. Why not come inside and have something to
Oh, that's a great idea. We have a lot of letters. Is it now? Next time.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I guess your family is there.
So it was him.
We are more than pleased with what you have just told me. It's an excellent idea to get married. But for now, all you have to do is to offer prayers. Because with God, everything is possible. Yes.
Uncle Alus pray on every matter before I make a move.
That's good. That's good. It's quite good because it's hard to these days find young men who seek the face of God. You know, they do. You know, so you see, the essence of prayers is that David. What's wrong? And your mom, how about you? You want to tell me you drove all the way from Lagos to the village without a Bible in your car?
But I usually don't use this car, and it's in the horror close from the office I had to.
And your mom, how about you? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. And your mom, how about you? And your mom, how about you? No. 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 You don't do that. You must get protected anywhere you go.
Please, what I mean? The crucifix is too big for the car.
Bigger?
I barely see my front.
Yes. The bigger, the better. Let me tell you, anywhere you want to go now, you won't have the fear of known and unknown. Yes. The Holy Ghost is now on guard. Go anywhere you want to. You are protected. Eh? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. That's your protection. That's your guard. These days people take serious precaution. Just do out defenseless. Okay. Bye-bye. Try. Do something about it. You're protected.
Flush me like that.
What's up, man? I was going to ask you to come to dinner tonight. Sela cook one kind correct nsala soup.
She cooks nsala, my favorite.
Yeah, bro.
Listen, man, I'm beat. I have to get back home.
Hey. So what's up with the soup? Yeah.
Keep mine. I'll
tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Don't mess her up.
We'll play tennis and then I eat my food.
Yeah, that'll be cool. All
right?
Cool. Don't mess her up, man. No.
Doesn't work that way, baby. Give me a second, baby. I'll get back to you. Okay? What is it?
Sir, a man from the village brought this morning. He said he was sent by Mama.
Really? Be sure to alert me as soon as they get back, okay?
Yes, sir.
Back, baby.
Yeah, I actually told my father, my mother, and surprisingly, my father said he knows your father. Yes, I was surprised too, you know. Yeah, but come on. I mean, the world is a small world, isn't it?
I bought something.
Oh. Are you serious?
But some elders are coming to see me tomorrow. So don't even begin to guess.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, baby. When are you thinking about it? You're welcome, my fathers.
Thank you.
I know it must have been a very hard journey, and I also want to know how far you've gone.
Thank you once again, our son, for restoring the frayed nerves of 4 old men whose mission is to make their town a better place. We have been able to.
Son of Ilomwanya, I greet you. It is most disgraceful for someone to be as exactly as people ridiculed him to be. Ojinta has been mocked as the only community in the whole of Njikoka local government that has not gotten electricity. Our mission is to see that our children come back this Christmas, flick a switch, and there will be light.
Oh, yes.
That's why we are here.
You're welcome, my fathers.
Thank you. We have gone to Chokawani, and he gave us 300,000 naira. Gribat Nwokoro gave us 150,000 naira. Our daughter, Amaka Amakize, gave us 300,000 naira. Ekenofo, our son, gave us and said that we should give him some little time so that he will put money
at this point, with the utmost respect, of course, I would like to come in. Let me start by saying that I completely commend the efforts of my brothers and sisters that have been willing to support this initiative. Be that as it may, I believe the estimated amount to realize the electricity project is 50 million. I've decided to solely fund it. I'll provide the 15 million. I want the neighboring communities around Ojinta to know that they have a son to be envied. You don't have to look for 50 million. And
Furthermore, we must show neighboring communities around Ojenta that there's a son of the soil that is capable. As a source of envy for our own community. We cannot be in the backlog of things anymore. See, it's time for us to come into prominence and claim what is rightfully ours. I will not only provide the money, I will provide the expatriates and the funding that will take care of the maintenance culture that it requires. And I know our people are tired of hearing generator noises.
God will bless you, my son. You see, this electricity will bring life into Ojenta and make it more enjoyable. You see, do you know that since I came back from abroad, abroad.
Continue.
Since I came back from abroad, I've not really enjoyed myself. See, and even the records I bought, it is there gathering dust. So thank you, my son.
We are going back home like warriors from a victorious battle. Aye! David, our son, you have given Ojenta light, and God will continue to bless you and multiply your riches. Aye!
Okay then. My father, my deepest apologies. I apologize for my absence. It's solely a bit to make you more comfortable. I trust you found your meals satisfactory.
Oh, very much. We are grateful.
I can tell from your toothpicks that my questions have been answered. Please give me this. Nanya, I must start with you. Nanya, I'm afraid I must inconvenience you slightly. I have a parcel for Mazi Isaiah's daughter, and since you're from his village in Umez, I crave your indulgence to help me deliver.
Count it down.
No problem. Thank you so much, sir. Once again, my apologies for the inconvenience. Thank you. Yes, these are your flight tickets to Enugu. I have a driver standing by. Okay, he will take you straight to the airport, and then from there, the flight will be going to Enugu, where I have another driver there to take you straight to our hometown, Ojenta. All right, and also in the envelopes you have in your hands, I have 50,000 naira each for you. You're so appreciated. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate you coming. Solomon, if I may. I know I said I'll redeem my pledge later this week, but there's no point wasting time anymore. This is for our people, and this is for the 15 million I pledged. And let us give to our people what we promised them, which is light before the festive periods commence. So I'm afraid we really must hurry, my fathers. The flight will be leaving the next 20 minutes, and good thing the airport is close by, but please. Someone, would you tell Moses to drive up to the front to pick up my father's up? And I hope everything is okay. All of you sleep 5 days. Nanya, are you okay?
I don't know if I made sense so far, because I am too elated. Isaiah, can you imagine that I went to Lagos in a bus and come back in an aeroplane? Eh? Hey!
Uncle, good afternoon.
Oh, my daughter. Yes. David Ilomonye said I should give this to you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome back, Uncle.
Okay.
By the way, how was your journey?
Oh, fantastic.
You enjoyed it?
Fantastic.
I knew. Welcome, Uncle.
I'm happy. Man, are you telling me that David Ilomwanya gave Ojinta people the sum of 50 million naira
with a firm promise to offset any other bill we may incur in the project?
Hey! This is unbelievable.
You better believe it, oh. You better believe it. Ojinta now has a son who can challenge anybody financially and otherwise.
Hey!
You need to see where that young man lives.
Eh?
It's like living in heaven.
Hey!
You're lucky,
oh. I was very bitter when I heard it. It's not because he did something good for the community, but the consequences of his action are what I am afraid of. How could my son elect to do alone what the whole community is supposed to contribute to?
Our wife, you worry yourself over nothing. See, I understand your fears, but I want to assure you that the God I serve will not allow the enemy to triumph. Not at all. Do you know, David is prayerful. Very prayerful. Besides, the last time he visited, I personally placed a Bible and a crucifix in his jeep. So, nothing will happen to him. Not at all.
He has been doing a lot of good things for this community, and I have never complained. But now that they have known that he can afford such a huge amount of money, Nanya Mobi, this is a different matter. It is a different matter.
Unless I no longer serve the living God, nothing will happen to David in Jesus' name.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Oh, amen. Let me go and get you something to eat.
Please do. Please do. Please do. So our son has come to this sudden wealth. God, I thank you. God, I thank you.
Alex.
Yeah?
Are you aware that David gave 15 million naira to the village and promised to give more?
Who told you that?
I got a call from the village. He's not David the land giver.
That's good.
You know, here's what I think. It's an honor to be a part of one's development. You know, development of the community, but not at the detriment of your own safety.
I really beg to disagree, because it's not that kind of situation. You know, I believe we've made a lot of money, and God has blessed us immensely. There's nothing wrong with extending an arm of brotherhood for good causes.
Yes, okay, you're right. But this is a community project, not an individual one. Guy, others are meant to contribute.
The amount being discussed is insignificant. I just wanted to save them some money.
David, I don't think you know what you're getting yourself into. Seriously. Seriously.
I'm perfectly above what. Guys, stop. Stop. Whoopi, let me.
I'm not moving, I'm just telling you what's right. Mama, this is just wonderful. This is just wonderful. No wonder our guy has not been able to find a wife since.
Just shut up and finish your thing.
Mama, thank you. Mama, please, make sure Juliet is properly schooled in the art of cooking. I mean, your own style, before you hand over to him.
You boys will not kill me. By the way, how was your visit to Isaiah?
Oh. He gave us a list for the traditional marriage.
Okay.
So I passed it to Alex. Then Alex has given it to Uncle Amobi to take care of it.
That's good. That's good. It's all right. Let me get you more food.
Mama, Haba. This is enough now. You ought to overfeed us.
Madam, mind you, he wants to reserve this his thanks stomach so that he can eat it wise food.
Mama, thank you.
Mama, bring the food. I have no wife waiting for me to.
Isaiah Mokoma. Isaiah Mokoma. Well, yeah. Well, it's a thing of joy to realize that the two families are getting united in marriage.
Yeah.
So when my nephew told me about this, that he had found a wife in your daughter, I was so happy. I was delighted.
Yes. You see, reasonable kids are doing the right thing nowadays in the right way. Yeah. So I am very proud of the two, you know, coming together in marriage.
Yeah, I share the pride with you.
Thank you.
I share that pride with you.
Thank you. Well, like I was saying, a feast should not be held off when both the food and the wine are good and are ready.
At all. Well, let me assure you of one thing. The preparation for this coming event is all in my hands.
Really?
Yes. So I am going to waste no time in making this marriage affair a huge success.
We are now in love. Mom, do you know that I'm just realizing the financial strength of the man I'm getting married to? David is so rich.
Rich?
Hi.
That is good. My daughter, God has many ways of blessing people. And for you to show him how grateful you are with this one he has done for you. Throw away all these modern ways of making babies, so don't adopt any of them at all.
Oh, Wait. Do you realize I'm not even married to this man yet? And you're talking about babies?
My daughter, for you to hold him, you have to give him children. Not one, not two, but plenty, because the money is there to take care of them. Do you hear me?
Okay, I hear you.
Oh, in fact, talking about his great wealth, if you see how I walk about in town nowadays, let me show you. I move, I raise my buttocks up, my shoulders up, and I'm shaking everything.
And when did this start?
When did it start? He started the day he showed interest. I wanted to become my son. I want you to be doing that too. Look, as soon as the babies, or in fact, before the babies come, as soon as you get pregnant, things will change. And you now have to work with dignity and with pride. Let me show you how you should work. Your big tummy out, your shoulders, everyone will know you have something to be proud of.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ladies first. Stop. Your father now. Alex cannot taunt Acholoho at anybody. No?
Married man.
Of course. Listen. It's not for Stella here. Hunger would have finished. Can't even boy young.
Stella, tell him, guy, I am a world-class cook. In case you don't know that. Stella, tell him now.
That was before Stella after.
Oh.
Talk now, you're just laughing like a shit.
Stella, you're laughing. Talk to this guy. Tell him I'm a cook. Don't I cook for you sometimes? Baby girl, tell him now. I gotta come take lessons from me, I bet.
Team players. Support, let's hear.
Come on, take lessons from me.
Innocent. So good to see you. You look great. Missed my wedding. I am not so happy with you right now.
Come on, I told you. I traveled out. It's for one good.
Oh, okay, you're forgiven.
Hey.
You know, you're like a brother to me.
That's right.
That's why you're a good defense lawyer. Always come up.
Come on, this is not about being a good lawyer.
It is innocent. I wasn't happy at all. Anyways, I want you to meet somebody very special. Juliet! Juliet, honey! Yes, baby? Come for a second.
Come in.
This man here is my very good friend as well as the company lawyer.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
My wife,
finally.
Juliet.
It's my pleasure.
You married at our wedding.
I told him I had to travel out.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't pay me any man. The baby is a very good lawyer. You know the rest of their stories. Anyways.
Sweetie, I quickly want to go and see Stella, okay?
Okay. We're actually on the way out as well.
Oh, okay.
All right? All right, baby.
Love you.
Don't say hi to any man looking that good.
Hey.
She's stunning.
I can see you like the decor.
Oh, yes, the house is fantastic. I particularly like the way the outside is very simple. Simplicity is really nice. And the interior, oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Jeez, who did all? It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You love it?
Because I did everything myself. I chose the colors, the furniture, everything.
Wow, that is so nice. I mean, if you can do this wonderful job in there, you should consider a job with interior decor.
Nah. I run a business where I import cosmetics. But talking about business, you should think of getting into some kind of business of your own.
Yeah. I and David actually talked about that like a couple of times, but I think it's just me. I really want to hold on for a while so I can think of a business to do. I want to do something that I can really be good at.
Well, knowing David, I know he'll go the extreme to make you have the best business. You know, I have these business brochures where you can have a look at whatever you want to do. Let me get it for you.
Let me get it for you. Thank you. You have not seen anything now. You see that money that my husband gave to Ojinta community? Mama, that is a little token.
You don't see?
I said it's a little token. I just thank God for the kind of husband that he gave to me. You know? David is such a wonderful man. He has a big heart. And he's cheerful and a generous giver. I mean, he just likes to be happy and make people happy, no matter what it takes. I haven't given you the millennium gist.
Which is?
The woman you're seeing right here would soon be the chief executive of her own company.
You don't see?
Yes.
My daughter. Hey, God, I thank you. I thank God so very much. Do you know, I never thought somebody could be this rich.
Rich is a mistake.
And to add on top that this rich person is my own son-in-law.
Thank God.
Hey! Oh, I thank God. It doesn't fail his own. And wait, my daughter, before I forget, is his partner also rich?
Mama, of course. Both of them are very rich. As a matter of fact, I don't even know who is richer. But what I know is that Alex, I can't really call Alex a stingy man. No. What I can really tell from the little I know about him is that maybe he's protecting his money because of the way he made it or because of his background, how he suffered when he was growing up or something. I don't know, But he has only one car.
One car? Why?
Apart from his wife's car, he has only one. Just live a simple life,
I thank God for our own situation then. It's different. God does not fail his own. I'm happy.
I just keep falling in love with
Hello? I hope all is well. What? Oh, God! What happened? Calamity. To think that the last time we saw him, he was actually blessing us.
Hey! Alex, tell me, what is it?
Alex, it's getting rather late. I think you should go back home by now.
You're right. Mama, take care. My dear.
Thank you, Alex. My love to Stella, okay?
All right.
They are all well, oh. Yeah. In fact, my husband, you need to go there to understand the kind of son-in-law that you have.
Wonderful.
Hey! That boy is really a blessing to this family.
Oh, I'm happy to hear this. I'm happy.
I'm happy anyway, and I thank God for it. And my husband, I heard about the death of the Owele.
Well, I was just coming from that place now. We've been holding series of discussions and deliberations over his death. But you know that Owele Akokalia was a peaceful man. And so he will want a peaceful deliberations as regards Ojinta and her progress.
You know, our son-in-law and his business partner, they already touched about the death of the Igwe.
Yeah, that reminds me. You know, the kingmakers and the elders of Ojinta have deliberated over the issue of who succeeds the Owele. And they have decided that Onungu will not be the next people to produce the Owele. Our son-in-law, David Ilomwanya, and his partner, Alex Ofodile, were both penciled down by the elders.
Hey!
Elisa, sit down.
What did you just say? That means my daughter is going to become the next Lolo of Ojinta. And that means I will be the Nne Lolo. Hey! This is wonderful.
Listen, women, you are funny. It has not been decided yet. It has just been penciled.
So, hold it, my husband. If the people of Ojinta don't choose my progressive son-in-law as the next Owele of Ojinta, who will they choose?
I hear you.
Look, my husband, as far as I'm concerned, he's already the Owele of Ojinta.
Woman, watch your word. Watch your words.
Thank you very much for your cooler.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Alex, you have contributed in no small measure towards the human and infrastructural development of Ojinta. And as such, our people will forever remain grateful to you.
Thank you, Nai. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
As it stands now, a mighty cow has broken loose. And a great man is needed to catch it.
Nai, then I appreciate those kind words. Ojinta is my home, and it deserves everything I can do for it.
Exactly. That is why I'm here. After a very conscious deliberation by the Igwe Council, have decided to crown you or David Ilomwanya the next Owele of Ojinta.
The next Owele of Ojinta. Nai, you are an elder with great repute and integrity. You are one whose words should not be taken lightly or treated with kids' gloves. I do not think you would love to joke with such a very sensitive matter. Did you say the people decided to make either me or David the Owele? We do not have that age or wealth of experience to be an Owele or to be the Owele of Ojinta. We don't.
That's right.
We're young men.
The age of Methuselah can never be compared with the wisdom of Solomon. It is that wisdom of Solomon in you that the people want. In other words, no Owele of Ojinta has ever been denied the services of the Council of Elders. They are the wealth of experience you need.
My love, why are you getting yourself worked up over nothing? Huh?
For nothing? Can you say that? Do you know what's at stake here?
Yes, I do know what's at stake. That is why I can boldly tell you that you're working yourself up over nothing. Look, David, have you realized that you stand a better chance over Alex in this matter? Why do you think that the people of Ojinta will hand over to you such a huge responsibility of becoming their Owele?
question for you. And I want you to be completely honest with me. Do you think I'll make a good Owele?
Yes. David. Yes, you would make a very good Owele. You're a born king. I saw that in you, and that's what our people have seen in you. Don't let this chance pass you by.
See, I had to tell him that because I felt it would not be nice for us to accept the offer of being the next Owele of Ochita.
Listen, I know that you did that in good faith. But what you fail to realize is to put your individual differences into consideration.
Sweetheart, I fail to see how that relates to what it is we're talking about.
Of course it does. Alex, see something. David gave 15 million naira to the community. Something that was supposed to be contributed by the individuals of the community. It suits him to be seen as a king. Listen, don't you think he would want to make that official? Baby, you shouldn't have told him not to accept it.
That is my take on this matter.
On the contrary, David, I accept the fact that it is a mark of great honor and respect for your community to consider the two of you for such an exalted position.
A point exactly innocent.
But David, the business, the whole business empire stand to suffer adversely if either you or Alex accepts to be the next king of your community. This is a very tight corner I wouldn't want either of you to be found in.
You must understand this situation for what it really is. It's a mass nomination. The elders are yet to pick a final candidate. Be that as it may, I think we've spent too much time on this subject matter. I have a serious board meeting to attend right now at the office. Let's conclude this matter later.
All right. Okay. We'll talk about it later.
No problem. I'll give you a call.
I don't like this man anymore.
Why?
Because it is obvious that he has come here to finish up what Alex started.
You think so?
I know so. Baby, look. He came here to discourage you. The same thing Alex has been doing. To discourage you from a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. But my thinking is, if Alex could get to your barrister who is rich, how much more all those poor elders in the village? He must have bribed them to influence their decision. Wait, no.
So finally, I am saying that making either David or I the next OLA will be likened to a large gift given to a small child. You would ask the question, to how many people is this gift being given? I would rather that position be left to someone who is more qualified and is of age. Thank you very much.
Alex Affordile, thank you very much. I would rather advise that next time when you speak for yourself only. We know your age and that of David Nwilomwanya. And that is why we want you to use your useful strength to develop Ojinta for us.
I'm bringing good things of life that make Ojinta more habitable. See, you've been to different parts of the world, just like me. And you've seen those things that you could bring into the community.
Well, we have had you, Alex. And you said that you know nothing about our tradition. That shouldn't be part of your worries. Because it is an obligation that the elders will teach and guide you at all times. You see it? So that aspect is not a problem at all. You have no problem.
Yeah, let us hear from David.
My elders, I greet you. Yeah, I've heard everything you said, and I'd rather assume the role of a follower now. See, allow you guide us accordingly as your choices permit. On that note, I'll leave that as a temporary conclusion until you take a final decision.
Okay.
My people, I want to thank each and every one of you so much for being part of this deliberation. We've spoken to two of our sons here, one-on-one. We've listened to them. What is now left is for two of them to go home and deliberate very deep on what we've just discussed. Yes. Come back here in 2 weeks' time for final resolution. David, you and the Lex should now leave us.
Thank you.
So, that's what I am.
You did well, my son, by not giving them a tangible reply. Yes.
I felt we turned it into war weeks, so I just...
Okay. You see, the way things are going, I see you becoming the next Wale of Argentina. And when you become the Wale, there'll be a triumph of Christianity and the Word of God. And all the evil altars and wicked people will begin to be destroyed.
Go on. Not the Owele yet. Let's don't get ahead of ourselves.
Listen, the men of little faith have always traversed the earth. I want to believe you don't belong there. Tell me, what is impossible behind that? What is it? Listen, son. I tell you that the God I worship has declared that you are the next king of Washington. The others let me tell children to pluck some fruits for you. Yeah, it's a man. Next to William Washington.
Solo? Solo?
Yes, Auntie.
Did my husband tell you that he was not going to return today again?
No. Any problem?
Today's supposed to be Monday. He's supposed to come back today.
Maybe something held him back in the village.
Possible, but he could have called. And his phones are not even going through.
I know we've been expressing bad network today.
Okay. Go lock up the gate, okay? And don't sleep too deep, just in case he comes back.
I'll do that.
Keep trying him.
I can't believe that you're right. The time you told me about this thing, I actually thought about it, but I whipped it off like woman's talk. And there in the village, it all played out.
You know, sometimes it takes things like this for us to realize how little we know people. It's just a modified word and it doesn't really make him a bad person.
Can you imagine? God. When the elders asked David what he thought about it, my brother, my friend, my guy was numb. Did not even do as if he and I had spoken about it at all. Meanwhile, I had told the elders before that we were not interested in becoming the next OLA. Baby, I looked stupid. I looked like a moron. I was so embarrassed.
Next time I talk, you would listen. I told you how this guy felt like becoming a king. You know, sometimes you just have to learn how to mind your own business.
I've learned, baby. I have learned.
Alright, so...
It's baffling. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me see. So, your laptop. You put this laptop. Okay.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, this is she. What? How? God! Doctor, please just tell me, where's my husband? Doctor, just explain to me, where is he? Okay. My husband.
What happened to your husband? Madam, what is it? I thought you... Madam! What's this?
Julian, what happened to him? What happened?
I don't know. I just received the call. So I called you.
I hope they are giving him all the attention he needs.
We'll talk to your doctor about that. Listen, it's going to be okay? It's going to be fine. I'll call Stella and she'll get you something to eat, okay? Why don't you take me to him or where the doctor is? Take me to the doctor. Okay, later. It's okay.
No, David, wouldn't you at least lock up your gate?
Please, lock the gate and keep the keys for me. Let me rush to that place. I don't know if he's still alive. I don't know if he's still alive.
Ajo mmụọ aba ekwensu anya. Ajo mmụọ aba ekwensu anya.
Ishamobi.
Nwozo, my brother.
I could have taken to my head if I had not seen you standing. What is pursuing our wife?
We just got the bad news that David was involved in an accident.
Hey. Is he dead?
No, God forbid. He's in the hospital. Let me lock up so we can.
Nothing will happen to him. Nothing. Nothing will happen to him.
Madam, while I was praying inside, it was revealed to me that someone does not want your son to be the king of your community. In fact, he even wanted him dead. But one thing I know is that the God whom I am serving, the God that says yes and no one can say no, is very mighty. Hallelujah. Now, I want you to be very careful with the people you allow to visit him. Whoever did this, because whoever did this is very close to him. Very, very close to him.
God. God, please don't allow them to kill my son.
God is
Pastor, he is my only son. Please.
It's okay, Pastor.
Stop.
God is by your side.
Pastor, why? Pastor, why? David has never had any problem with anybody before.
Sister Juliet, stop crying. What he needs is nothing but your prayer to make him recover fully. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be coming to stop crying.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Good. How is David?
Yeah, Mr. Lomanya. His condition is stable now.
That's good. Good. Let's go see him then.
Oh, sorry. It's unfortunate because
why?
His people just came and took him to another hospital.
Why is that?
Which hospital did they take him to?
No, they didn't tell me anything.
All right, doctor. Thank you.
Doctor. Oh, madam. Good afternoon. How are you? I was just coming to let you know that, just as you requested, that Odele was here. I told him that David has been taken out to another hospital.
but I don't know. I was here a couple of minutes ago.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Thank you, sir.
And I still want to assure you that you'll be fine.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, sir. Alex, he wants to make sure that my son is dead. God will never allow that to happen.
Don't get this. What's happening? Why would they move David without informing me? Why would they do that? Let me call the uncle. Could you get my phone from the car, please?
It's locked. Here. You okay?
Are you okay? Eh? Hey, all right. What's the matter? Hey, come on.
Get her back to the car. Get her back to the car.
Let me take you to the hospital. It's okay. Are you all right?
Let me be the first person to congratulate you.
No. No, doctor, don't tell me.
Your wife is pregnant.
Oh, no, doctor, thank you. See, congratulate him, man.
God will not allow that to happen. Never. Have I been praying for nothing? It is time to know whether God has been accepting my prayers or not. They want to kill my brother's son and take what God has given him already.
Amod. Amod, what could be responsible for a man like you walking along the road and talking to himself?
Udenda, they have touched me where it pains most.
I had the unfortunate news that Alexandra wanted to kill our son David.
And thank God they didn't kill him through the accident. But let me tell you, my brother's son now will get away from that post. He won't vie for that post again. He will hold his money. Let the whole town go and suffer it. Let him go and suffer it. God didn't allow it to happen. No way. I have not been praying in vain. They will not succeed. Let them go and suffer.
Nwakego, this is a serious allegation and it should not be taken lightly.
Of course. Are we fools to take such a thing lightly? Bano, I can never be a fool.
Good, I know. You are not fools.
And that is why we must see that that man of God who said that Alex wanted to kill David.
Maziat, please. I think I've had enough of this ranting.
Huh?
Seeing the man of God, knowing the man of God. Please, I have some important things to do. If you don't mind, close my gate when you leave. Seeing the man of God, knowing the man of God.
Now, are you walking out on me?
It's always good to be careful over such things.
Honestly.
You can trust people who, on the surface, look innocent, but inward, their inward nature. Hold on. Hello? Who is calling?
Kulamobi, good evening. It's Alex.
Oh, Alex. How are you and how is your family?
Cool, we're all fine, thank you very much.
Okay.
I'm disturbed about something that's going on right now, Uncle, which I don't even know how to explain. I've been trying to reach David for some time now, but to no avail. Uncle, have you heard from him?
Alex, you sound strange. If I should know anything from David, my son, I should consult you. The two of you are not only friends, but business partners. You live in the city together. So what is happening?
Honestly, Uncle, that's what I'm trying to find out.
Okay, please inform me of whatever is happening, please, there. Right?
Okay, I'll get back to you. Bye.
What did he say?
Something is not right here. They're not saying anything. But I know they're hiding something from me. They are.
Baby, why would you get yourself worked up over something you're not sure of?
No, I must get to the bottom of this. I have every intentions of going to the village, if that's what it will take. I must get to the bottom of all this. Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
Take it easy, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Linda, I will tell you later. Eh? I don't know about who's right.
Mama, are you sure of what you just said?
Now listen, my son. The answer is not far-fetched. Is it your wife or me, your mother? Or your uncle who is right there in the village? Would any of us want you dead? Because you could be the next Owele of Ojinta.
I have told him that all is not well without his friend Alex. But he will not listen to me.
Who else will want you dead? If not your so-called friend Alex. Who else?
Mama, finished.
But he is a failure. He has failed woefully.
So who is talking? See, because you look like Oyibo Pepe, eh?
So the mama here, sir. Mama's on the line.
Oh. Hello? Mama?
How are you? I am glad to hear that. Very soon, you will completely be all right. How is Juliet? Beautiful, beautiful. Your uncle was here this morning. He said he will be coming over to see you very soon. Yes, you know your uncle very well. He will surely come. Please, my son, make sure you take your medications properly. I just called to know how you are doing. Oh, my son. Oh, bye.
Well done, sir. I don't know if you still remember me.
Alex Ofodile, my son-in-law's friend and his business partner. Who wouldn't remember you, my son?
Right, sir. You're right.
How is David doing?
Ichie, that is why I'm here. I haven't heard from David in over 2 months. I have gone to his house. You know, they shut the gate out on me. I've tried to call him. In fact, all forms of communication between David and I have been severed. So, sir, that's why I'm here. To find out what exactly the problem is and what is going on.
Considering what you just said, I think something is definitely wrong. They usually phone me, but for quite some time now, they have not done so. I'll consider ringing them. In fact, I'll try ringing them as soon as I get home.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it, sir. Yeah. I regards to the family.
Alex, it's good you are home. I had the thought of coming to the city, but I decided to get the details.
Details about what, Uncle? I am tired of hearing all this.
My son, you cannot be tired of anything. You can only win a war if you have the will to do so. So if you become tired...
Uncle, what exactly is the problem? I want to know. Nobody's saying anything.
Good. I don't know who started it. Neither do I know how it started. The whole Orjinta is made to believe that you wanted to kill David so that you become the next Orwella of Orjinta.
What? That is preposterous! Uncle, that is totally unbelievable. Who could have said that?
Good. Sit down.
No, Uncle, I need to know who said this. Can you tell me where that information came from?
Alex, sit down, and tell me what I need to do. I know you tell me the whole truth. So please sit down. I'm listening. Calm down.
I don't know anything about what they're talking about. David is like a brother to me. We practically grew up together. Why would I want to do a thing like that? Why? In the first place, I was never even interested in being an Orwell in the first place. Good evening, ma. I was actually going to your house.
Alex, you have failed. Alex, I said you have failed. You were coming to my house.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you couldn't get the information you wanted from Amobi. But I will not disappoint you. My son is still alive. Safe and sound. You are not his God. Alex, you are not his God. You wanted to kill my only son because you wanted to become the Owele. Alex.
Mama, you have it all wrong.
Don't put it out your mouth. Who is your mama? You call me mama. You two wanted to plug the one eye that gives me vision, Alex. Alex, you are evil!
Oh, Mama, listen, please. Mama, you know me. You know me from when I was a child. I mean, David and I have been childhood friends, Mama. We are more like brothers. If every other person in this village thinks that I was wrong in all these things, Mama, I mean, you know me better.
You don't need to explain to me. The man that God gave the power to see beyond what you and I see has already done that.
Mama, Mama, please, just please, take a second and just
get out of my sight! Look at you.
Mama, it's not going to work that way, Mama. It's wrong, Mama. Come on. Mama, listen now. Mama, don't let the devil come in between us.
You are the devil. You are the devil.
Mama, please, Mama.
I just knew it. I knew it right from the start when you told me about this issue by telling David not to become the next king.
How could they?
And the funny thing is that they have conveniently thrown away the reason for you telling David that and embrace that stupid belief that you want to become the next king. I mean, how?
All I ever wanted was the best for him. The very best.
But at least you and I know the truth. And that's all that matters.
I'm paying you guys because you are the best. Your agency is correct. Now I expect and I demand nothing but the best service from you guys. Chike. Sir. You'll be the leader of this group.
That's good, sir.
And I will hold you personally responsible for any shortcomings.
You don't just have to worry, sir. We will do our best.
I need you to do more than your best. I want you to be extra careful, particularly with those who claim they come from my village.
Yes, sir.
I will only see them on appointments. Have I made myself clear?
Understood, sir. We'll do our best, sir. Good.
This is one more bridge to cross. I've got one more line to cross. Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Jai, how am I supposed to know that you ain't gonna bring me down? Smiling in my front, stabbing me behind. Why? How am I to know that you would make me bleed? After all these years I trusted you.
Juliet.
You've been fooling me around, involving me in a battle. Crazy, crazy battle. This is a crazy world. What's going
because of
going on? Can somebody trust
my
someone
situation.
anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. A crazy world. I see.
I hate
This is a crazy world.
see you so sad.
It's my former friend. They stab me for back. They make me bleed. They blow me breeze. You they
I don't need me pity.
You live and live life like a million. No, I can't believe my eyes.
Pity
If
me.
I can't trust you, then who am I to trust? This is a crazy world. What's going on?
I can beat this.
Can somebody trust someone
I can walk again.
a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody
But
trust someone
if
anymore?
you pity me,
It's my former friend.
you kill me.
They stop me for bad. They stop me for bad. You they make me bleed. I internally.
All I
Internally.
need is your support.
Why you doing this? Why you
Please.
doing this? Can you tell me this is a crazy world? What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Anymore? This is I gave you my trust, my everything. Believed in you, now and then, every other day, every other day.
Alex, it is said that when the Lord misses the head, the shoulder carries it. And this is why I've come to the city to know what is going on. The other night we visited home just to find out what was going on. And I'm now here. Please kindly tell me, do you have a hand in what happened to David Ilomwanya?
Uncle, I thank you. I thank you and appreciate what you have done. You see, God in heaven will bear me witness that in this city or in Ojinta, I have never had the intention, will never have the intention of ever harming David. It is not possible.
In other words, you do not have a hand in what happened to him.
I don't have a hand whatsoever in his accident or what happened to him.
Okay. Onye Maronna, it's only one that has no one to stand by him can be found guilty. I am here for you, my son.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it very much, Uncle. Thank you.
You can now go and get me those things you prepared for me.
Uncle, so you have to wait first to confirm my uninvolvement in the whole matter before taking something from me, eh?
Sure. When an elder is without proper questioning, he dies shamefully.
True words.
Yes.
True words, Uncle. True. Uncle, first, there's this drink I want you to take first. Huh? Then you tell me that you like before you eat. Yeah, I'm sure you like it. Alex, I love my son. Verify what? What are you talking about?
Alex, what I'm saying is that we shouldn't treat this matter in such a great haste. Let us...
David had an accident. He became so unreachable that I could not even reach him on phone. I could not even see him.
Alex, I know about all that.
What you do not know is that the members of his family claim that some man of God told them that I, Alex, is responsible for the accident that almost killed him. Can you imagine?
How could they say a thing like that?
Even right now as we speak, in my town, some people think that I am responsible for the accident. Innocent. If David had died, it would have been worse. Look, we are going to start the process of sharing the property that we both have. I'm serious.
Alex,
it is over between David and I.
Come on, it has not got to that point.
It just started from that point. Have you heard me? It just started from that point.
We are going to give this the conscious thinking. We're going to give you the conscious thinking. Not in this haste.
Hello. I made up my mind though. That is it. Yes, we're speaking.
I don't care where he brought all of you from. I demand to see him now, and I must see him.
Sir, with all due respect and for the last time, I would want to know why you are here.
I am a titled man from Ojinta.
Is that?
You? Idam Jebenga. Young man, I think your questions are beginning to irritate me. You think this is the first time, my first time to be here? Eh? Get out of my way before I teach you why they called me.
Oh, is that?
They stab me for back, they make me bleed, they blow me breeze. You they, my brother, it's so bad now. Hey, you living your life like a million. No, I can't believe my eyes. If I can't trust you, then who am I to trust? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This my for my friend. This my for my friend. They stop me for bad. You they make me bleed. Internally.
Killing me.
Why you doing this?
Before
Why you doing this?
Time.
Can you tell me this is a crazy world?
David, I'm sorry.
Going on.
I don't mean to do this to you. I'm crying only because my heart is heavy.
What's going on?
David, you are a good man. And you don't deserve this. You deserve better. I deserve better. God, I wake up every single day, and all I pray for is just to feel like a woman. David, you deserve to carry your own children.
Can you give me a reason why you did just what you did? Why you doing this? Why you doing this? Why you doing this? I'm asking. So why you doing this? Why you doing this? Why you doing this?
I know I told you that. Did I instruct you to beat up a red cap chief? Did I instruct you to beat up a red cap chief? So could you do that? Eh? If my uncle had not called me to inform me of what you did, I would not know.
So we're very sorry, sir. It's just that the man in question refused to tell us why he really wanted to see you. And even became more abusive.
I don't fucking care if he was abusive or not.
Don't you have elders where you're from? I said, don't you have elders where you're from? So why would you go beat somebody up? A red captive for that matter. Do you know the implication of that? Do you?
I'm very sorry, sir.
Like hell, it must not repeat itself again. If it does, you people will cease to work here and anywhere else. And I'll make sure the police deal squarely with you, you nigger fools! Fools! Come on, get back to work!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Will you stop thanking me and do what you're supposed to do? Putting me into more problems.
Sir, you know how you drink yet? Sir, are you crying?
Peaks. Mountain. To make a man cry. Solomon. But you don't understand. Don't understand. Don't expect you to. Please take me back to the room. Want to rest.
La 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 la, yeah. La 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 la, yeah. Look at where we are, my brother. Down.
Juliet.
Yes, baby.
I need to talk with you.
Okay.
This is going to be difficult, but I want you to understand. It is sacrifice I'm willing to pay.
My love, you don't have to make any sacrifice.
It is difficult for me.
David, please, you don't have...
Please. Please. Let me finish. I understand what you meant by we need children. But it's obvious I can not give you children.
Please, you don't have...
Please. Please. Let me finish. I know I cannot ask you to leave. But I want you to be a complete woman. I'm giving you permission to find someone else to help us.
What are you talking about?
Just find somebody. Anybody. I'll pay whatever. Do it for me. Please. Do it for me.
David.
Please, just say yes. Please. I need a child.
David, I love you. But it's too much for me.
Please.
This is...
Do it for me.
It's too much.
Baby. Please.
Ladies, Alex and David used to be the best of friends and business partners, but not anymore. Right now, that thing, that special thing that held them together is no more there. And that was why I sent for you, so we could sit together and find ways of resolving this before it escalates.
So, Barrister, what would you want me to do?
Juliet, Stella, you are their wives. And you can talk to them in so many ways no one else can.
Yes, Barrister. Well, I thank you for this initiative and hope that it works. My husband and I have discussed this so many times. You know, there's no need for all this looming enmity at all.
Well, Barrister Innocent, on the contrary, my husband and I has never talked about this issue before because it's irrelevant. We've been so busy. But now that you've brought it up, I think yes, we don't need enmity. But first of all, we should all consider the fact that a man's life is in danger. I'm talking about my husband's life.
What are you talking about, Juliet?
Do you really want me to spell it out in a layman's English for you? Because trust me, Stella, it will be worse than what I just said now.
Ladies, we are here to seek for solutions and not to make matters worse.
How worse can it be? Barrister, how worse can it be? No one knows for a fact the person who wanted my husband dead is out there or not. Wants to harm my husband again or not. He is... Like what? Barrister, there are certain things that we need to talk about first.
Like what?
Like who wants my husband dead?
Barrister, I'm really not in the best condition to talk about this. So, I have more important things to attend to, like seeing my brother.
But I have to go too.
father.
Uncle Ato, this calls for serious action. I only went there to greet the elders, and they all took to their heels. It was even Iwu that started running before the others joined him.
Well, it is true that a child runs away when he sees a fly after being stung by a bee.
But it was a mistake, Uncle. They didn't even beat him.
Well, Alex, I want you to visit Iwu later in the day and explain things to him. I know he talks much, but I believe he will understand.
Uncle, I don't think I can wait till evening. I think I better go now.
Good. Good. But please, when going there, don't go with those boys.
That's all. Okay. I'll get back to you.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm waiting.
Mazi, I understand the other day you came to the house in the city. I was not aware that those boys acted in a very foolish manner, and they acted stupidly. In fact, they totally embarrassed me. I didn't know what happened until my uncle called me to inform me of everything. So I want to say I am sorry.
I came to deliver a message and thought I was walking into my brother's house. It was only...
Mazi, you are right. You were actually walking into your brother's house. And you are right, sir. You are right.
Those boys were very stupid. They insulted me. You? I could have sent them into their early graves if it weren't...
No, Mazi. It hasn't gotten to that, sir. I should have brought cola nuts and a bottle of wine to appease your heart. But Mazi, in the absence of that, I should bring this token. Please, 9. Take it. It's 100,000 naira.
For me?
Yes, Mazi, for you. And please manage it, And please don't be angry again.
Hey! 100,000 naira. You are truly the son of your father. Those boys, I suspected that they must have taken those things our young boys take to make them high.
If it's that one, you're not wrong. They definitely took something. Very stupid boys.
What are you talking about? Those boys.
So I don't even know why I went to that stupid thing. It was just a complete failure.
Why was it a failure?
It's not Stella. It's not Stella. The only reason why she came to that meeting was just to humiliate me. Was to flaunt her stupid stomach in front of me because she is pregnant. Stella had the audacity to walk out on Barrister Obina with the stupid excuse that she was going to the hospital.
She's pregnant?
Yes, she's pregnant. I know she wants to ridicule me. I know her plan is to make me feel terrible. Oh my God knows that if that's her plan, it will not work for her. It will not work for her. She can't make me feel this miserable. She cannot make me feel this miserable. It's not possible. It's not.
Juliet, I knew it would come to this, and I've been preparing myself for it. But cannot stand you pining away in misery because of this. Please consider what I told you before. Let's bring someone to help us. We just want a child. That's all. It's just a child. Please. He's...
Hi, Morris. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, Juliet, you were the last person I was expecting to see. Hey, oh, sorry. Forgive my manners. Why don't you just come inside?
Okay.
I will try to be as plain as possible. As you've obviously very well noted, I have a slight speech impairment. So I crave your indulgence to listen to me intensively. Because of my predicament presently, I can not serve children. I don't owe you any explanation, whatever. But it's important when the same page. I am not cheating on my wife. Neither is she on me. As far as I'm concerned, it is a business arrangement. You will concentrate and consecrate all your meetings with her in this house. The privacy of my bedroom. As you very well have noted as well, you have underlings that must not be private to this arrangement. As soon as your services are concluded and she conceives, I'll pay you 10 million naira for your services. And I want you to disappear immediately, almost as if you never existed. Do we understand each other?
Can I think about it?
Very well. Take time. Once you've reached a decision where to find me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'll get back to you.
This is one more bridge to cross. I've got one more line to cross. Jay, can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Jai, how am I supposed to know that you ain't gonna bring me down? Smiling in my front, stopping me behind. Why? How am I to know that you would make me bleed? After all these years I trusted you. You've been fooling me around, involving me in a battle, crazy battle. This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. I see. This is a crazy world. Ooh, this my former friend. They stab me for back, they make me bleed, they blow me breeze. You they, yeah, my brother, it's so bad now. Hey, you live a little life like a million. No, I can't believe my eyes. If I can't trust you, then who am I to trust? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Anymore? This my for my friend, this my for my friend. They stop me for back, they stop me for back. You they make me bleed. Aye, internally, internally. Aye. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. Why you doing this? Why you doing this? Aye. Can you tell me this is a crazy world? What's going on? Going on?
Elders of what inside with you all. People say that a child does not refuse to answer a call, but it refuses to run an errand. Alex of Fodile has taken more than the owner should ignore. And I want to state that our land Ojinta is not such a toothless bulldog as to allow this insult to continue. It's an insult! I don't know about you. Big insult!
Amobi, you have said your own piece. But the decision is our own responsibility.
Decide now, decide.
Alex, you were accused of something. And we thought it wise to call you, but you vehemently refused us. And right now, we cannot say whether you are innocent of the accusation or not. You left us only with the option of you going to Mpupa Shrine.
He must swear.
To swear.
He must go.
We are innocent. Yes. That's all. You must.
My elders, I don't mean to be rude. I do not mean to be stubborn. I grew up in this town. And you know my person. I have always stated my innocence on this matter. Now I want to state emphatically that I will not swear by any idol.
Hey!
And I will not do it.
You must swear.
I'm sorry, sir.
You must swear. Don't you listen to him? Why are you saying he should swear? He must swear. Oh, that is against his religion.
You must swear. I have done a lot in this town. The education of this town is correct. And so what? I don't ask me to swear. I have done enough in this town to make sure that nothing happens. Every other person has done something. Well, but I am not swearing because my religion refuses. You must swear. You can't tell me to swear. It's against my religion. It's against my religion. He must swear. You must swear. This is against his religion. I am not swearing. Why did you answer?
I'm in the house. Good. When they are ready, come out.
Good, I am coming. Let me deal with them. I'm not swearing. Why did you answer? Why did you answer? He must swear. He must swear. And this one to admit that is against what is it to swear? He must swear.
Thank you very much for accepting to do this for us. I know how hard it is. I chose you because I could trust you, because you're my friend, because I knew that this was one big favor that I could only ask for from a true friend like you. Knowing very well that you have your own life and I'm coming to mingle you in all this. Probably you might even have a girlfriend and all that. And you still did this for me. Thank you very much, Morris. Oh my God. Jeez, I have to make food for my baby. Get dressed, okay?
You just have to get him informed. And for God's sakes, can you just start the legal proceeding about sharing this property? Seriously, and I want it done as soon as possible.
Alex, you and David should take things easy. See, this problem has not come to the point of sharing your assets.
Very innocent, listen. Can you please just stop stalling and do exactly as I have said? I have thought about this whole thing and have come to the decision that this thing must be done. Everyone has to be on his own. Period. So I want it done as soon as yesterday.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Start work on that.
Thank you very much. I'll talk to you later.
I once more welcome you, my child, as we have all witnessed your naming ceremony. So shall we witness to all the happy events of your life.
Amen.
And may God bless you abundantly.
Amen. Amen.
My wife, please take proper care of her.
Uncle, thank you.
Yeah, my son, you see, I'm proud of you people. You people made me proud before the people of this community. Yes, the naming ceremony has become the talk of the town.
Uncle, it's okay. We need to go now. We need to go that way.
Please,
thank you.
take care.
It's well, Uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, Uncle. You can't come as yours. Uncle is tired already.
Are you home?
baby, you here?
Morris, don't you baby me anything. Where are you coming from? And, oh, I see. You've got yourself a new girlfriend, Morris. Who is she?
Please, this is my area, okay? Stop creating sin. Let's go in and we'll explain everything.
I'm making a scene because you want to explain, Morris. Explain what,
Why are you
Morris?
shouting? Stop shouting.
Stop.
You're embarrassing me. Let's go in.
Morris, just spare me the rubbish you said right now. You are practically dating a married woman and you expect me to be okay with it. Okay, fine. If dating married women is now the newest rave in town, fine. Let's get married. That way you will get to enjoy it to the fullest.
Baby, why are you talking like this? Come on, you know me very well. I don't do married women, you know? See, that woman you saw me with is an old friend. And we lost contact long time ago, so we just bumped into each other. And you know what?
What?
Good. My meeting that woman is like a miracle. I'm about landing myself a very lucrative contract that is worth millions. Oh yes, and believe you me, when it's done, our life is gonna change. So come on, stop accusing me.
You see, this matter is not trivial. And that's why it gives my sense of decency as to why Alex is treating it with levity. See, the fact that we all are Christians doesn't make us fools.
Oh.
And in fact, if I were in charge, I would have made him to swear with the Bible. But the elders of Argentina, who were in control, wanted him to swear before the shrine of Mba.
Did he swear?
Swear what? Alex, you ask as if you don't know Alex again. Alex, in his arrogance, he stood up before the elders of Argentina and said he will not swear. In fact, that young man deserves hanging. Hanging!
I know his arrogance will never allow him to do so. But I have this feeling that some of these elders might be backing him. And they will still come out in public and say they are after justice.
See, the good thing right now is that time is running out on Alex. Because the elders are mounting pressure for him to actually come up with what he actually is. They want to know the kind of person Alex is. I have this feeling that he will secretly come and beg your son for forgiveness.
God forbid. That will never happen. After all he did to him, Mbano. That will never happen.
David! Mama,
Oh my God. You're welcome. My dear.
Where is my husband?
David said you went to the hospital.
Yes, Mama. I went to the hospital. And this is the reason why I went to the hospital.
What is in there?
You would know.
What is it?
My daughter-in-law is pregnant.
Yes. Oh my God! Oh my God! No. You want to
Ajomo Abaove. Ajomo Abaove.
Onye ka mbuzi. Julian! Omalicham.
You're pregnant now. Up, David.
Oh my God, I can't even wait.
David, I trust you. David, you have it.
Finally, we are here.
Yeah, baby.
Out with it. What is it that you feel?
Baby, we are rich. Very rich.
What? What do you mean we are rich? We are rich like it.
Come down, come sit down. Oh, come on. Easy, baby. Do you remember that contract I told you I was pursuing some time ago? When you were bluffing about my dating a married woman?
But I remember.
Good. That contract has landed me 10 million naira. Yes. As I'm talking to you now, baby, that money is in my account, breathing and resting. Darling, we are rich. Very rich.
10 million. Honest. Oh my God. That's about the same deal I was about spoiling with my stupid jealousy.
Oh, come on, baby. See, you're not stupid. What you did is what I was expecting from you, okay? See, the fact that you were jealous made me believe and understand you love me. No problem. It's settled. We are rich. This year I will have the money.
Okay, what are you rich?
Yeah.
You're serious? 10 million naira?
10 fucking million naira!
Oh, you're so happy! Sweetie, congratulations! You buy me a car, aren't you?
I'll buy you anything you want.
And a boutique. Oh my God, it's reaching me! I'm so happy!
We're fucking rich, baby!
As I was saying, this crisis between our two sons has lingered so much, has wasted time so much that it denied us the pride of having a traditional root.
Exactly. Dear.
See, and I know that time has given both of you the luxury, Amobi and Atu, the luxury of thinking the whole thing through. It is now for all of us to come together and become interested in the resolution of this very matter as a priority. We can no longer sit and talk while our two most illustrious sons are at war. We are losing a lot from that. It is time for us to take a decisive action about this very issue.
Matt, Lendo, I thank you very much. Elders, I really thank you. But I want to inform you that my nephew, David, is no longer interested in becoming the Owole of Ochinta. He will not become that Owole again.
Good.
He has jettisoned it.
I had never failed in telling the fact that Alex had never been interested in that position. Amobi and Atu, it is very unfortunate that you two did not realize that Elendo did not talk of who will be the next Owole. Oh no, really is doing a very nice job, a very good job, steering the affairs of the community. We are talking on how to resolve the problem between our children.
Yes. In that case, elders, we will have to invite them again and ask questions. It is important also to make Alex understand that we are not accusing him. Rather, we want to hear his own side of the story.
What did you say now? Did I hear you say we will invite Alex here to tell him we are not accusing him?
Exactly.
In that case, money has changed hands.
Yes.
Money has changed. Somebody has bribed somebody here.
To your own understanding.
Money has changed hands.
To your own
It's very
understanding.
clear. Look at what he
What does he
said.
mean?
Look at what he said. Invite who?
hear the same thing every time. Every time. Hand everything to God. Hand everything over to God. Everything will be well. Yes, I did all that. I did all that. But let me tell you something that you always miss out from that same Bible you picked up this from. Is that the Bible says that heaven helps those who help themselves. So I want to help myself.
Well, if you believe you hand everything to God, then you have no problem handing to God.
David, it's not true. Not when my children are forced to jump out of their skin each time they see that stupid woman Stella and her bodyguards. No way. No way.
Christ's sake, Chula, what do you want me to do?
Simple and short. David, your children and I want our own bodyguards. Period. Yes, we want our own bodyguards. We cannot be intimidated. No.
What?
Yes, she saw me. And what hurts me the most is that she didn't even have the courtesy to say hi. You know, at least I wish that things could go back to the way they used to be. The whole thing was just funny for me.
I wish they would too. You know, I'm not going to do anything about this. They already labeled me as a murderer, and as such, they will see me as one. So I don't care. I don't care one bit.
I just can't believe that this is happening for all these years. Gosh.
You know what, baby? We'll be fine.
I've said it a number of times, and I will say it again and again. Both of you, there is nothing medically wrong. Medically, there is nothing wrong with both of you. But I want you to go somewhere and relax, condition yourself. I'm thinking of you to take a vacation. Somewhere with conception of a lake. It will do you fabulous.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
David, the others in council have decided as a matter of urgency to settle the matter between you and Alex. They don't want this settled in any court of law at all.
It's good for them.
No. It's not a question of being good for them or not. Listen, we have to be careful. You see, at the last meeting they had with the uncle of Alex, they went home with the impression that you don't want the lawyer of the company to share what belongs to two of you.
It's partially true.
That's why I want you to begin to articulate your points. In the next meeting of the elders, it's going to be war of wits. Don't rest on your oars. Let's prepare to defeat them. You understand?
When you told me about the different places you've been to, and all that you've gone through, I simply saw it as another way for God's name to be glorified. You and your wife will be parents, okay?
Oh, thank you very much, Father.
Thank you, Father.
You're going to have your own children.
Oh, Jesus.
But first of all, you must return the two you gave out for money.
Father, I don't understand what you're talking about. I didn't sell any children for money.
gotten pregnant before. And here you are talking about giving up babies.
Your husband understands what I'm talking about. And if he doesn't, he will remember.
Elders of our land, I greet you. I have heard what you've said. On the strength of the fact that I don't want to make anything difficult for anybody, I have decided that I will take 2 out of the 5 companies that we own. But on one condition. Which is? That David here will tell everybody who the pastor or the man of God is that told him that I, Alex Ofodile, is responsible for what happened to him.
My elders, why should I divulge who told me what we all know is the truth? Why should I, even if God come down, I'm not telling this fool anything.
David, for peace to reign, I think it's best you tell us right now who told you.
To hell with peace. Let him burn to ashes and you go in front of it. Do I look like I'm afraid of you? Eh? Let me tell you something. You made a mistake not killing me because you've done your what's up.
David, I don't need a cent to kill you. Because I can kill you just like this, wipe out your entire family. You have a boss! It's so tough!
It's okay.
It didn't take me nothing. Nothing to wipe you out of the surface of the earth.
I will kill anyone.
You're not a fool.
Baby, I'm really sorry. You see, I'm very sorry I didn't tell you then, because I was scared of losing you. You see, as at that time, I had little or nothing on me, and the money they promised me was far, far irresistible. It was all for our own good.
Morris, you had 2 choices, but you chose the other part. Just go and get those twins, so I can have my own children. Heh.
Did you say twins? It was just one pregnancy.
Do not get me angry. Do you need 2 pregnancies to have twins?
Can you say a thing like that? Don't you know the implications of such utterances?
Won't you tell him that he can't go around telling people that he wiped away their family?
I did not tell families. I told David.
And so what, Alex? I don't care who you told. Just go back and apologize.
Alex Ofodi, apologize.
Innocent.
Tell me what the fight is for. Now what we fighting for, my brother,
David,
my friend.
you will not leave here. David, you will not leave here. We'll talk about this. David, what is wrong with you? David, tell me what is wrong with you? This is the same man that put you in this position today. This is the same man that has made me cry day and night. And you too. This is the same man that has done terrible things to us. And now, he is threatening to wipe away your entire family. And you sit down and you want to walk away? David, where is the man that I got married to? Where is the man that I married? David, where is that man that promised me that he was going to protect me? David, I cannot stand it. If anything happens to those children, in my life, we worked hard for them. David, please do something. Please. Please.
What do you want me to do?
Arrest him. Arrest him. Arrest him. Report him to the police. That's a threat on our life. Report him to the police. Please.
Oh.
David. David, you can. You can if you want to. You can. I just went to pick the kids. By the way, have you been to the police station yet? Baby, please. You really need to report this case. Okay? Alright, baby. Let me run ahead again. Stella. What's the meaning of this? Stupidity. Stella, was that supposed to be a deliberate act? Anyway, let me just let you know that I have heard what you and your husband said. Well, it is well. Stella, it is well.
Juliet, can't we see and greet like normal people?
Why should I greet you like a normal person? Look at her. Are you normal? Well, let me just give you a piece of information, Stella. That this battle would not be as easy as putting a man in a wheelchair. Believe me, it won't be as easy as that. And tell your husband that I said so. And tell him I said that he will answer for that.
What we fighting for. See, looking back on where we're coming from, it's hard to see what we're fighting for. Looking back on where we're coming from, my brother, it's hard to believe that now we are at war. See, I know you smile, you know.
Baby, why aren't you eating your food?
I'm not hungry. All I want to do is think. Think.
And your thinking solve the problem.
Sweetie, you don't understand. How can I go back to these people and tell them I need these twins back? Oh, come on. These people paid me off when they contracted me. And that was why I had to leave Lagos. So, how? Oh, this is difficult.
Morris, it is not difficult. You go there and you tell them. Just the way you told me. That's simple. You go there and you tell them. Listen, if you want to hit a nail into a piece of wood, you hit it hard. With a hammer. And that you will do, my darling. Tomorrow morning, you will go there and bring those kids back. Meanwhile, eat your food, darling. You need all the energy you can get.
David, why are you feeling nonchalant about this? If you could not go to the police, why did you not send for them?
Good day, Juliet. I did not hear you greet me.
Oh, for God's sake, why would I even care if I greeted you or not? Why would I care? I'm talking about the security of our lives and that of our children, who are most vulnerable at this point. And you're talking about greeting. What will my greeting do for you? What will it do? Will it secure us?
We're not in danger. These are the kids.
Oh. The kids are not in danger. They are fine.
Yes.
David, is that the way you want to see it? Well, if those children were biologically yours, then you would know what it means to protect them with your life.
After all these years, you have the guts to walk into my home. My home. You demand to take away my kids. Kids that call me father. You have no inkling what you're playing with.
So I'm really sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry it came to this. But you see, this is the only way I can have my own kids. I mean, these children need to know who their real father is.
I am their father. Yes. It was a business arrangement that I paid you for. As far as I'm concerned, you don't exist. Solomon!
Sir! Sir.
Would you kindly escort the gentleman out of my premises?
Sir, please. Use the door. Let me push you, please.
Daddy, dinner is ready.
Oh, sorry. I miss you coming. Coming, beautiful.
Daddy, are you crying?
No, Daddy's not crying.
Daddy, don't worry, I'll protect you.
Famous, it's so you can sleep early tomorrow's school. Famous, eat your food, okay? So you can sleep early tomorrow's school.
Mommy, Daddy is crying. I said, Mom, Daddy is crying. Go and check on him. Go and check on him.
Fine.
Hello, hello, David. David, you're not sounding well. Are you all right? Eh? I should come to Lagos tomorrow, and you're saying you're okay. Tomorrow morning. Okay. I'll be there.
Morris, the only reason I let you into my house, I let you into this house for just one reason. So I can look you in your face and tell you how ungrateful that you are. Morris, how can you do this to me? My husband and I rescued you out of hunger. We made you what you are today. And all you want to do to me is pay me back with evil. Maurice, let me ask you a question. Do you know how those children were raised up? Do you know what they love to do? Do you know what they love to eat? Do you know what makes them happy? Why would you want to take this source of joy away from us? I swear to God, Maurice, I will show you the true face of evil. I will show you.
So Juliet, it's not as if I don't appreciate what you guys did for me. Honestly, I do. I know I was well paid for what I did, but you guys should understand my situation too. I'm in a worst case situation here. I mean, considering the situation at hand, I can even sell everything I have to pay back that money and go with my kids.
What is this nincompoop saying? You pay back? You're talking about money now, eh? Yeah. Big man. You're talking about my money I paid you? You want to pay me back 10 million? You want to equate the lives of my children with money? If you want to pay me back. Let's look at it properly. I want the interest of 10 million in 7 years. That's right. That's what it's worth to me. Let's look at it that way. Huh? Don't you have anything but to...
What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? What is happening?
Uncle.
It's okay. Baby. Kulamobi. Thank you very much for coming early.
Ajomo abaye kwenswanya. So, this is what we've been going through all alone? David, he could have told me. No. We could have worked out something together. Eh?
Uncle Amobi, it's not that easy. You see, it's something that I thought I could handle. But it overwhelmed me now, and I don't know what to do.
Okay, that's all right. I am now here, and we are definitely going to work out something together. It's all right. Ajomo abaye kwenswanya.
Baby, what do we do now?
We need to talk to him.
Again?
He has to understand the implications of his actions.
Left, right. Suddenly collapse. He's taken to the hospital.
My child. Which hospital?
New Hope, yes, New Hope.
Solomon, Isa, get Isa to bring the car around.
Take it to hospital.
Take me to the chair.
I have the car keys.
Go.
I have the keys.
Go now.
La.
Officer, what is happening? Move back, Would you tell this baby please to shut up? It's alright. So I want you to please. Move, man. Move. It's alright. Let's go. Let's go. That's how they feel. Young man, you just mind yourself.
Tell me what the fighting's for, and what we fighting for, my brother, my friend. I like to know what the fighting's for. When we should be together, you should be my friend, my brother. Tell me what the fighting's for. I don't Looking back on where we're coming from, it's hard to see what we're fighting for. Looking back on where we're coming from, my brother, it's hard to believe that now we are at war. See, I know you smile, you know my frown, I've seen your tears, you've seen my pain, my brother. We're supposed to be building bridges, but now we're building walls. Now tell me what we're fighting for. Tell me what the fight is for. Tell me what we're fighting for, my brother and my friend. Hey, tell me what the fight is. I'd like to know. We should be together. We should be the best of friends. Tell me what the fight is for. Let's share the soul. Let's drop the guns and be together as friends, my brother. Tell me what the fight is for. Look at where we are.
I don't really understand. I mean, I've been there severally, and I couldn't see anybody. And the gate is securely locked.
Could they have run away?
No, I don't think so. I doubt. I think it's high time I told the Reverend Father about this and see if there's any way it could be of help.
I don't know about the girl, but you must pray fervently, very hard for the boy, and do everything within your power to get him out of harm's way, okay?
Okay, Father. Thank you very much, Father.
Thank you, Father.
It is well.
The autopsy report on Favorite Ilo Maya shows that she was poisoned. And since your threat of wiping away the whole Ilo Maya family was filed in our station, you remain a suspect. Investigations are still on, and you'll be required to come to our station when needed.
Okay. I've heard you.
Yeah. Talk to you later, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Now you see.
Why are you holding him like that?
Famous! He's not putting him.
Famous! Famous! Come on!
Isa! Go inside now!
Apa yang pun soalnya? Kacau mu! Apa yang pun soalnya?
You know, as soon as I'm clear of this allegation, I'm going to sue David. I will sue him for defamation of character
I'm not gonna let this lie anyhow. I'm not just gonna leave it like that, no. Somebody just...
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
The policeman is here to see you, sir. They said it's very...
What does he want again?
I don't really know, sir. Thank you, sir. So, you're joining there at the police station.
What for?
How are you? I want to see Mr. Ilomaya or the wife.
I'm sorry, you can't see them.
Why? Don't you know me? I always come here.
Yes, I do, but you can't see them because they traveled to village for the birth of their son.
Did you see their son?
Yes.
Famous is dead?
Yes, he is.
What about favorites?
I'm sorry, both of them are dead.
You are stupid, you are very stupid.
I am sorry.
What happened to those innocent children? Get out.
There is no need going to the police. You have no proof that those kids were yours.
I have this belief. I'm very, very optimistic that Mr. Ilomwana has a hand in the death of these kids. You see, this man never wanted me to have these kids at all. He never wanted me to have them.
Morris, again, you have no proof that he killed those kids. And that's why you should let sleeping dogs lie.
You see, baby, I'm sorry if I'm going to hurt you here. But as far as I live, as far as there's breath in me, you see, that dog will have no sleep.
Morris, you never knew those kids and you wouldn't have fought for them. Now that they are dead, there is nothing either of us can do about it. Yes, baby, yeah. I think all we need to do right now is go to the priest, talk to him and find a way and free ourselves from all the guilt. Just deliver ourselves, baby, okay? Okay?
The kids we're talking about here are my blood. They are my children. I don't expect you to understand.
Visit this calamity on me. Who hates me so much? Who is doing this to me? The way just innocent children. I have so much bitterness in me. I don't care if everyone turns to ashes. I have enough bitterness to wipe the whole generation.
Please, David. Listen, I know how you feel. I have buried my son once, so I know the grief you are going through. But you don't allow that to eat you up. See, David, you have the duty of living a good life. You owe your children the duty of living a good life so that that part of them that is in you will not be subjected to death. Yes. Please.
I understand. But this bitterness is too much for one man to bear.
I know. Please, like I said, I have buried my son once. So you are quite understandable in your grief. But please, it's okay. I want to make a request from you. I want your permission to get Alex released from cell.
Why would I want to do something like that for?
He has agreed to swear before the shrine of Boba. Please. Let him go and swear.
My son, you are still young. I should not allow this misfortune be the end of your wonderful life. I know that by the grace of God, you can still have as many children as you want. I don't know.
Good day, son. Good day, man.
What do you want?
Sir, I'm deeply sorry about what happened. Honestly, it breaks my heart. But the reason I'm here is because Father Ibira wants to tell you something that is very important. Please, do give him a listening ear. Please give him
Let's go. Let's go and see him.
Thank you, sir.
It is sad that David's two children died within 2 weeks, and all accusing fingers have been pointed at you.
God knows I don't have a hand in anything. I mean, I have no hand in the death of his sons. I don't.
I know. It is the boy that assists his father at the shrine that knows the names of the spirits. Alex, I believe you. I know how hard it is for you to accept this. But you have to do it so that you can exonerate yourself.
Uncle, no problem. I'm ready to dance to any music they want to play.
My son, it is said that the snail is a very weak animal. Yet, nobody is brave enough not to pick it from the back. So, let us get it done. And don't forever.
Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? anymore. This is a crazy world. What's going on?
I'm sorry to disturb you, but the Reverend Father is around and he would like to pray with everybody. So I want you to join us.
Okay. I'll soon join you people. Let me finish my food. Oh?
Smiling in my front, stopping me.
Pray against the whole evil forces operating in this compound. All the evil men that are in this place. Pray that the Lord will expose them here today. Oh Lord, you worship you, Lord, we thank you.
Why? I want to know that you would make me bleed. After all these years I trusted you. You've been fooling me around, involving me in the battle. Crazy battle. This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore?
Uncle, I can't go again. I'm not going. Why? I can't go.
Hey!
Uncle, I've searched myself. It's against my biblical principle.
You are not serious.
I mean, I can't.
I thought we have settled this matter.
Uncle, I have thought about it. I mean, I came to this extent, but Uncle, I can't do it.
Alex,
it's against the Bible. I can't go and swear to any idol.
Alex, you must go.
Mazi, I am not going anywhere.
Alex, you must go.
I am not going anywhere.
Even the chief priests, they're all there now, waiting for you. Alex, you must go.
They'll banish you.
Shrine of our forefathers.
Bone.
Oh my God, sorry.
Bone!
No! Just drink some water or you can chew whatever.
Bone!
That's where they belong. You say before you every knee shall bow. Says at the mention of his name, thank you for today. Every knee must bow and every tongue must confess. Just keep on praying.
Bone! My neck! I don't know!
What is wrong with him, babe? You!
What is it?
You!
Bone!
Just leave him. Just leave him. A bone? Just leave him.
Everything what?
Just leave him.
What?
We need to take him to the hospital. If you do not confess right now,
what?
That bone inside your throat will choke you to death. Oh, Father Lord. Confess? And you must learn today that not all that climbs up to pluck the whole fruit in a tree come down the same day, the same way they went on.
Call me Alex before I confess.
Who is Alex?
Uncle Alex. Uncle David's friend.
So where is he?
My neck.
He's in the village, is he?
Run and call him. Just bring him.
Call me Alex before I confess.
Just keep on praying.
Raja more.
Father, keep on praying.
God is
doing something. Just keep on praying.
My neck.
Just ignore him. Keep on praying.
I'm a Christian. I can't go there. I thought about it. The shrine our forefathers, great forefathers, ancestors have been worshipping. Now you say you are not going. Alex, you must go.
It's against my physical faith. I can't do it. I'll go back to the city.
Uncle Alex, you're wanted. By whom? Father says you should come now. Yeah, you should come. I've been looking for you everywhere. I don't see you. Father again? For what? Ichiamobi said he wants to tell you something. Yeah, you should come. Now he wants to tell you something. He's dying. I don't have time for this thing. No, he says dying. What for again? What does he want from me? He's dying. Yeah, he's dying. Ichiamobi. He said you should come now. He wants to see you. No. Alex, please. I don't want any of your problem. Alex, please. What's going on? Alex, for my sake.
Alex, please. A crazy world. I see. This is a crazy world. Hey. Ooh, you this my former friend. They stab me for back. They make me bleed. They blow me breeze. You they my brother. It's so bad now.
Ajamo. Hey! My son! My son died mysteriously in my brother David's father's house. And my world came to a standstill. I watched as his corpse was being carried away for burial by his mates.
Oh, my son! Hey! Hey!
Something snapped in me. And there and then, the only spirit that gripped me was the spirit of revenge. 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 And then, the day David came to tell me he might be chosen for the post of a Wala of Argenta, I knew it was time to finish him up.
Amobi! You!
I then prepared a charm to kill him through motor accident, but he ended up just being crippled.
Hey! Amobi! You! The battle is not yours, but the Lord's, eh?
And then I killed famous and favorite through poisoning.
Amobi! Amobi! Alex! Are you going to walk away? Leave me like this? You're the only brother I have. I'm sorry. I made him mistake and I'm so sorry. We've been together all my life. Forgive me, I'm so sorry. Look at me. I'm a vegetable.
This is one more bridge to cross. I've got one more line to cross. Jay, can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? Jai, how am I supposed to know that you ain't gonna bring me down? Smiling in my front, stabbing me behind. Why? I want to know that you would make me bleed. Aye. After all these years I trusted you. Hey. You've been fooling me around, involving me in a battle. Crazy battle. This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world. I see. This is a crazy world. Hey. Ooh. You this my former friend. They stab me for back. They make me bleed. They blow me breeze. You they my brother. It's so bad now. Hey. You living your life like a million. No, I can't believe my eyes. If I can't trust you, then who am I to trust? This is a crazy world. What's going on? Can somebody trust someone anymore? This is a crazy world.